Hello everyone, welcome to Moving Violations. I'm Russ LeBlanc, NEC consultant for EC&M. Check out these light fixtures, completely rusted apart. You can see inside of the light fixture now. You can see the wiring and the ballast inside there, severely corroded. Now I am right next to the ocean. Right across the street is the Atlantic Ocean. All the raceways are completely rusted. Look at that. Severely corroded right there. 300.8 in the 2026 code requires raceways and equipment and support hardware to be suitable for the environment in which they are installed. And look at that. That's just crazy how rusted that is. Even the light fixtures should be suitable for the environment. Maybe non-metallic raceways and non-metallic enclosures for the light fixtures would have been a better choice. Next to the ocean here.